We're here in Taipei, Taiwan, in the bottom of the Taipei 101 skyscraper, which used to be the tallest building in the world until a few years ago when it got deranked, dethroned. That's the word I'm looking for. Anyway, we're in the tall building. And more importantly, we're in front of Din Tai Fung, which is a world-famous Michelin star restaurant that is famous for its dumplings. Some of you may have tried Din Tai Fung in other locations like LA, Seattle, now San Francisco, Singapore. But many of you may not know that Din Tai Fung was founded right here in Taiwan. And while there are now tens and tens of these restaurants around the world, maybe even 100, none of them compare to what you will get right here in the birthplace of where it all happened, Taipei, Taiwan. So let's go and check out what Din Tai Fung is all about. Starting with, of course, the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. Just a small army of dumpling professionals doing their thing. So this guy's now measuring the filling. Looks like a red bean paste that he's placing into each dumpling and putting on that micro scale there. And once he is done filling the filling, this man does the folding. Which, if you can look over here, takes skills. You've got these tiny folds on the dumpling that just look beautiful. But there's a lot of artistry and just skill work that goes into that thumb work that he just did there. Moving right along, there's other stations. This guy's just cleaning up. And that's where all the steaming happens back there with the towers and towers of bamboo steamers. And then you have some buns. So there you have it, just a quick little tour of Din Tai Fung. To finish off, let's go pop over here and just check out what one of the finished products looks like. Ta-da! Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for watching.